I'm spending a day on beautiful Lake Tarawera.
Today I'm going fishing and I'm going to meet one of the best trout fishermen in New Zealand. I hope I can catch one. I think I will. Hey Alexis.
What do you want to do?
Take me to Lake Tarawera.
Kia ora!
Kia ora!
Nau mai hara mai ki te aroa. So good to meet you.
The hongi is the traditional Maori greeting, where the breath of life is shared between people.
Welcome to Lake Tarawera.
Ngahi Bidois family have fished Lake Tarawera for over 800 years, and this haka is a welcoming call to me from the people of his tribe, or iwi, Te Arawa. Ngahi works on the board of New Zealand Fish and Game. Their Rotorua-based breeding program releases 10,000 trout into lakes and rivers all over New Zealand every year. And Ngahi knows where the best fishing spots on Lake Tarawera are.
To Sachie, we're going to do what's called jigging. So jigging is where we move the rod slowly up and down, just gently, and you're imitating a whitebait, or inanga, which is the indigenous fish in this lake.
Now, who taught you how to fish?
My father. My father taught me to fish, and his father taught him, and his father taught him. So it's been in the family whānau for many generations. I learned to fish before I learned to ride a bike.
And what do you love about fishing?
It's the peace. Being around water is a good thing. Catching fish is actually a bonus.
Ooh, if I get that.
Yeah.
I got one.
Oh, hey,
Ooh.
well done, Sachie. This is awesome. You're doing well.
Oh, I can see.
So keep rolling.
Okay, all right.
Start pulling it towards us.
Towards me.
Hey!
Wow, look at that! My first trout!
And that's a great size here.
Amazing.
So this is a rainbow trout. It's come from our hatchery as well. Can you see this fin here?
Right here.
Yes.
Yes.
It's missing. So this was released. That's a beautiful fish, Sachie. Congratulations.
I wanted to ask you something about your tattoo on your face. What do you call it?
Moko.
Moko.
Tā moko.
Tā moko.
It's a part of my journey as well. I had to find myself and find my culture. I come from a family where my parents both went to school fluent in Maori language, and they had it strapped out of them at school. And so when I came along, they refused to speak Maori to me, to teach me Maori or my culture. And they brought me up to be a good white person. And then one day I realised I didn't know who I was. And so I had to stop and learn my language, reset my goals. And one was to one day receive my tā moko from my ancestors.
Wow, that's beautiful.
And so my tā moko goes back to a very old Māori proverb about the importance of listening, looking and thinking,
And
to have the wisdom to speak.
Volcanic activity under the shores of Te Rata Bay heats up the steaming foreshore.
Is it steam coming out of the ground?
That's what we call our steam cooker. Wow. This is our backyard for the last 800 years.
We're gonna cook some food over there.
Your trout.
How hot does it get?
Over 100 degrees.
Am I safe with
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Yeah,
yes.
with my jandals on?
You'll be fine.
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Warm, isn't it? It's
Oh, that's
beautiful.
warm. That's warm. Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I'll make 3 fillets from your beautiful fish. Look at that beautiful flesh.
Nice pink color. Look at that.
It's beautiful.
All right, so I'm gonna season beautiful trout. So who taught you how to cook?
My father. He's just a legend. And unfortunately, I lost my father, my best friend, last year. I used to always go to him to talk about different things, and life is just not the same, Sachie, but we move on and try to be a good father to our sons. So we'll put this fish in here.
Yep.
We say that our ancestors are always with us, and the challenge to us who are still alive now is to be a good ancestor like he was.
Absolutely.
We're surrounded by manuka.
Do we use this for manuka honey or something?
Yes, that's right. That goes into our trout. So what we're going to do now, just to finish this process, is vacuum pack it in the lake. We put this into the water here.
The water must be so hot.
Oh, yeah, it's boiling hot.
The trout was steamed for just 15 minutes. We will share it with Caroline, Ngahi's wife, her twin sister and a skipper.
Ki te taro o te ora, ko ihu karaiti hoki tō mātou ara ki āmine.
It's well cooked. This is my first time eating food being cooked in a hot spring. Nicely seasoned.
Oh, well done. You did the
It's got
seasoning,
that
so
lemon flavour too, but then this.
the manuka. Yeah.
It's not too strong, but as the hint of the manuka goes into the fish, it's just so delicious. Did we cook well?
Oh, it's beautiful. Well done. Well done, love. Oh, this is... Yeah.
I've been feeling very special to be here today.
Ngā mihi ki a koe. The honour is ours.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Sachie.
Thank you.
With Fish and Game and us releasing 10,000 trout, I'm pleased you caught one of them.
I got one of them.